telling you to go. Telling you to go.
¿Qué te importa? ¿Qué te ¿Qué te importa? ¿Qué te ¿Qué te importa? ¿Qué te
Don't you to go. Don't you to go. Don't you to go. Done you to go. Done you to go. Done you to go. Don't you to go.
just how I rock, yeah. Yo, that's just how I roll. Yo, that's just how I rock. That's just how I roll. That's just how I rock and roll, 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 roll. I wanna rock and roll. You can tell by my clothes. I get high as fuck every day. I think I see a UFO. Whoa, 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 whoa. I'm fucking on this hoe. I think she emo. She got slits on her wrist. She so suicidal. I'm tripping, I'm tripping, I'm tripping, I'm tripping. This XAUUSD got me tripping. It feel like I'm in another dimension. I pop into ass and pass one to your bitchin'. Pour me some rock, I don't pour nutrition. Roll up a blunt of metro and get missing. I'm high as fuck, little bitch, I cannot listen. I'm high as fuck, little bitch, I cannot hear. I can't hear cause I'm holding your rest in my ear. This not a Uber, bitch, this is a lyric. He ain't sucking no fucking, you can't ride in here. He try to run, we shot at his rear. When I got a gun, you cannot come near. I shoot shit for fun, treat you like a deer. I rock and I roll, I originate shit. You a rat and you told, you can't come around here. Swear these niggas be hoes, these niggas be weird. You can get smoked, get shot in your beard. He licking blood like a bitch on a pier. I'm sipping mud, my Sprite never clear. If I roll up a blunt, I smoke it right here. She wanna rock and roll, she wanna come near. I fuck up for fun, she taking me serious. Yeah, that's just how I rock, yeah. Yeah, that's just how I roll. Yeah, that's just how I rock. That's just how I roll. That's just how I rock and roll, 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 roll. I wanna rock and roll. You can tell by my clothes. I get high as fuck every day. I think I see a UFO. Whoa, 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 whoa. I'm fucking on this hoe. I think she emo. She got slits on her wrist. She so suicidal.
Go. Go.
Chat.
Go. Go.
We're back, man.
I say go. Rest, pick up that load. Swag, design of my clothes.
Come say hi if you're here. What's good, chat?
All of my niggas on go. Fucking on all of these hoes, yo. All of these bitches on go. I got all of these bitches on go. I got all of these bitches on lit.
All right.
She rockin' Balenciaga. I just fell in love with this cash. She like, ooh, that young nigga.
Chat, what is poppin', man? What is poppin', everybody? Welcome back to the streams. Yo, camera's dark as hell. Where? Wagwan, chat. How is everybody doing, man? What's good? Meet Jay, Ewan. Who else is here, man? Come say hi, chat. Welcome back to the YouTube streams. It's been a while, low key. It's been a while. Where's all the man at, though? What's good, Chaz? Duncan? Money on money. Yeah, why can I only use username still? It's so annoying. Low key. All right, but let me transition out of this because I'm gonna get a copyright strike real soon. Turn this down as well. Guys, welcome back to the streams. How's everybody been? No more low key. I'm gonna say low key whenever I want to say it. Jay, he doesn't care about YouTube anymore. Why am I on YouTube then right now, huh? Why am I here right? Oh my God. I legit just dropped my watch on the floor. I think we're good. I think we're good. Yeah, that was low-key not good, though. All right, chat, look. What's good, Finnan? How's everybody doing, chat? Come say hi if you're here. Drop a like on the stream as well. It's gonna be a good day today, man. Apparently, we have CPI. Is it gonna come out? I don't know. All right. But apparently we have CPI today. It's meant to be a very big news day. CPI comes out in like 50 minutes. My bad. What's good, Jordy? How's it going, my bro? What's poppin', man? Yo, did you get your Instagram taken down, Jordy? I just noticed today you commented on my shit from a new IG. So tough. Yeah, bro, that's tough, man. I'm sorry to hear that. Hopefully you can get it back. Just spam the fuck out of their support, low-key. All right, guys. Yeah, so CPI soon, then PMI after that as well. Big day today in terms of news. Holy skibs. But nonetheless, a lot of potential. Let's get into the analysis real quick. Listen, there's 45 of you in here right now. 9 likes. Make sure you drop a like on the channel now. Otherwise, you are getting seriously beaten up. All right, but look, yeah, starting off on the weekly here, we do have essentially another push down here on the weekly time frame. We actually look as if we want to close bearish for the first time in 9 weeks, which is going to be insane. Bro, I beg I didn't break my watch. Just a light little 10K down the drain. Nah, it's all good. Yeah, daily is pushing down as well, bearish, tapping into a few key levels here. Maybe you made a lower high here for it to continue back down, which is going to be very interesting, right? Look, to be honest, yeah, I mean, we'll see. You got a 4-hour which closed respecting this level here. You do have like a 4-hour area right here that I've been looking at. You did close respecting it previously. So if you can start to push up again, maybe you get some buys up towards, I don't know, the top of this range up here or something like that. But in reality, oh, what did I just do? Yeah, in reality, it's going to be very difficult to take these buys just yet. 2-hour looks the same. 1 hour, very interesting here. I would say you have a pretty strong 1 hour level at 40.77, right? Because every time you've rejected off of that in the past, you've continued down massively. You have another level that we've actually just tapped into and rejected at 40.57. Which is actually quite interesting. Actually, I don't like the white line. I don't like the grey lines. White lines goated. All right, cool. Yeah, so you have just rejected off this bottom level at 40.57, which is actually very interesting. You have another level at 40.29. So if you do come back down and close below, we could take a look at the sales down to there. If you close back above this area to the top at 40.79 as well, realistically, you're looking at probably pushing up towards... First of all, there's a stop right here, but I would say you've got room all the way back up towards 41.06, somewhere around there. But it all depends on structure, right? It all depends on structure. It depends what happens. Big rejection here, hourly flip bullish, 30 close bullish, but the structure's still bearish. So it's very, very complicated right now. To be honest, it's most likely going to play out that we have to wait for CPI. It's probably the smart move anyway. What do you think?
I was just wondering, what's the 79 level based on? I have slightly different levels to you today, I think.
You have like a 1 hour level here to the left.
Yeah.
You could put it at like 73.
I've got 88, 67, 49, and 29. it's the top one.
Oh, here. Wait, no.
Yeah.
Yeah. Should we just fade each other?
Well, that's the same thing. Just our breakouts might be slightly different.
Yeah, nah, it's similar. Chat, but listen, how's your guys' week been, man? It's Friday. How's the trading week been? What you guys been up to? You guys made any profit this week? You guys cooked? You guys missing the YouTube streams? Holding sales from today morning, 109 on FX, hoping for more dump with CPI. We'll see, man. We will see. It's going to be interesting. By the way, I also have a new video dropping this afternoon, which is going to be good. It's on, what is it? Basically, it's just a full strategy breakdown, in detailed. It's going to be sick. How was your week without YouTube? Fire, bro. We caught a banger trade yesterday in the academy. To be honest, the response to the Discord streams has been fucking insane, low-key. And to be honest, I've been enjoying it because it's a lot less tiring, but I did miss the YouTube streams a little bit. 3% week, finally not a break-even week. W, and all good stuff, man. Congrats. That's huge. What's up, Malinko? How's it going, brother? 3.5%? Oh, not this guy.
Not this guy. Not this J guy.
This J guy. I've seen him before, I'm pretty sure. Darius, what's good? What's good? How's it going? Alright. Nice. 13 minutes to the hourly close. Just wait till that Mr. Mochi fella turns up.
It's been a while since we've seen him.
I hope he doesn't. Cook this week, not trading this MY. Need a break till Monday now. Hopefully some good positions next week. Yeah, W, bro. I think that's a good idea. If you had a W week this week, it's not necessarily a bad thing to take a little bit off. Tom, have you seen the CS market? Lost $2 billion in a week.
Yeah, mate, it's insane. I think we were talking about it before. The only way you'd be up right now is if you just hoarded loads of like skins for the trade-offs.
Yeah, I saw Trainwreck talking about. He had like loads and loads of. What are they, like bread or some shit? Like,
it's just like ones he can use to trade up.
And they went up in value like crazy. And then I got cooked? Oh. My bad, I thought you said you cooked it. Alright, well, nonetheless, bro, I think that's a smart idea to take the day off. What are your predictions on news? Hang on.
Nah, I reckon we go back to all-time highs off of this news.
Crystal Ball's telling me something. I think... I don't know. You think we go to all-time highs?
I think we go back. Although, it is Friday. Look at the weekly candle. The analysts were correct.
Well, no, it might close bullish off of CPI. You got CPI and PMI, chat. So realistically, CPI might not... Nah, actually, that's cap. I think it is going to do a lot. But it also might wait for PMI. It might wait for both to come out. What are they looking for? Is it still tentative? Really? Oh.
So it is 9-day-old news.
Wait. Does that mean it should have came out 9 days ago, or does that mean it's going to come out in 9 days?
I think it should have come out 9 days ago.
Right.
This is just the stats from 9 days ago. So this isn't actually today's CPI.
Does that mean because there's been no CPI for that long, then it's going to be like the mega news?
That's what I think. I think we're gonna go back to all-time high. For sure.
Yeah, chat. I mean, look. Realistically, I think it's going to be the smart move to wait for it anyway. It comes out in like 30 minutes time. 40 minutes. Buys from here don't look terrible, right? With the structure you're forming, the rejection. But I think realistically, I don't know. A lot of potential, to be honest. Have a good session, boys. I'll be dropping off. All right, meet in a bit. Why aren't they postponing? Postponing? I don't know why they're not postponing this one as well. I've got no clue. Tom telling me to full port buys.
advocating for anything.
Tom literally said to me that he's full porting buys already.
I only got the PAs. I'm not even allowed to do these fun eval trades anymore.
Yeah, low-key,
So I might
shit gets real when you transition over to the...
load up a few accounts.
Yeah, guys, by the way, if you do want an account to full port CPI or you just need an account in general, Apex currently has 80% off and $85 activation fees, which is like 50% off activation fees, which is insane. So make sure you head over and grab yourself an account with Apex. Very, very reliable prop. I've really enjoyed trading with them recently, not gonna lie. SG man, what's good, Tony? How's it going, brother? What's good, what's good, what's good? Loki, where the mods at? Literally have no mods in here.
Where's the mods at?
No mods. Mods, ban him now. What's good, Gareth? How's it going, brother? I'm mod. I don't know. What's good, Stefan? Whole gang's in here. Chat, listen, drop a like on the stream. Let's try to get to 50 likes right now. Who saw the video I dropped the other day, man? I dropped an absolute howler video. A little raw talk on the balcony, which you guys seem to enjoy. As well as that, like I said, I'm dropping a new strategy breakdown. Probably this afternoon at some point, which is going to be good. Good, very good. Banger vid, thank you, man. It's good, Dale. All the gang in here. Good morning. Weelu, what's good? Good morning, man. All the academy members pulling up. Yeah. Loki, we've been cooking in the academy. Yesterday's trade hit TP. I managed at break even, but the trade did run to TP for most of the people that stayed in, which is pretty sick. Other than that, it's been an interesting week in terms of price action, chat. Remove monetary and time pressure. That's the move. How much is a 50k Apex account with a discount? $30 for a 50k Apex account. And you got $85 activation fee when you pass, so super cheap. What's good, Terry? What's happening? I walk in the gaff like, what's happening? What you saying, go? You're trying to get active?
What comes out first then? Was it PPI or CPI?
Oh my days, Mr. Tony.
Tony.
Another withdrawal. Holy skips.
Mr. Bread.
Monday and Tuesday were crazy days on gold. Every day is a crazy day on gold. This Forex is the shit, bruv. What do you mean, man? Is it monthly? Yeah, but you realistically will pass it in under a month, or you should. Monday and Tuesday were crazy days on... Oh, I read that out. I love doing that. Just a little double readout, yeah. Hard. 7 minutes to the hourly close, chat. And then obviously 30 minutes till CPI. You've also got comics open before that as well. This PA has been interesting. I miss all-time highs. Been saying this since day one. I miss all-time highs. I was talking about the blue BMW lad you were mocking last week. Oh, yeah. That guy. Mr. Driver Dave.
This Forex shit is crazy, bro.
This Forex is the shit, bruv. That's what you mean. Yeah, I get you now. I get you. Oh my god, guys, did you see TJR and Lacey did a stream together? I was literally watching it all night.
Actually, low-key, I'm going to go back and watch that, because I reckon it'd be interesting. I've not seen anything from it yet.
NPC.
The Chrome Heart Denim.
TJR literally has so much aura, bro. It's fucking crazy, man. Honestly, it's actually insane, bro. He pulled up to the FaZe house and he gifted them all a diamond chain.
Do you reckon they actually got the chain?
No.
Or do you reckon just off camera it's like,
Right, give me that back.
You're gonna have to hand me that back.
He's back. What's good, Bedge? How's it going, my bro? Is Apex News full porting allowed? Yes, Apex News full porting is allowed. You can do buy stop, sell stop. You can do anything. You can do tricks on it. Literally just, I don't know, anything you want with Apex. It's kind of mad. That's why I like them so much. Code TRLS gets you 80% off. Tricks on it is crazy. You were doing tricks on it earlier.
Silly style.
Literally bouncing on it crazy style as well. Is top step news full porting allowed? No. From what I know, I don't think so. Fill my range, SG. No. Can you show how to draw resistance and support levels? Yes, I can. Wow, a trading question. That's kind of crazy. Yeah, 100%. So basically what you want to do is you want to just go ahead and... Imagine just go fuck yourself. No, I'm joking. Basically to draw support and resistance levels is super easy. You want to go ahead and actually just look to the left on price and start to highlight any areas that you have sort of rejections over and over. So for example, if we look over here to the left, you have rejections at this area here constantly, right? And then you also have rejections around this area here, and this area here, right? So once you understand that, now we look to the left, or to the right, sorry, back where we are on price, try and find similar levels. So you can see we had a level here, right? You've rejected off this again right now here. And also you rejected off these highs here to the left before. So you very simply find all those areas, put the level on the body of one of these candles, right? So the body of this candle here, the highest one up if you're looking at resistance areas, and then the lowest one down if you're looking at support areas. So for example, you could place it here, but then you also have another rejection down here, which you could take a look at. But for me right now, I'm thinking you have a wick rejection here as well. If you drop to the lower time frames, you reject off this level. So you're basically looking at areas where price has bounced off of numerous times. Same thing applies down here. You can see we reject off this level here and also here to the left. You can see how this one's sticking out a little bit, so you just move it down to make it not so. And then the same thing above, right? And then that's exactly how I draw my levels. Super simple, super easy. Yeah, man. To my biggest win ever, 800 pips after we swept previous week low. I went long. Nice, man. Congratulations. You can even hedge 2 accounts on Apex to pass combines? Yes, you can. Kind of crazy. I got to list down my questions now. Yeah, run it. Hey, what's good, W7? How's it going, brother? Chat, I like it. A lot more hype for the streams now that they're not daily.
It's a little bit of a treat now.
You guys...
Surprise.
Yeah. I think you guys realized how much value they actually were, right? When you know, it's like that thing, right? When that girl stops texting you back, you realize how much you like her. You guys are like, oh shit, this guy was actually giving me free trades every single day.
You didn't realize what you've got.
He was giving me free trades and free value every day, and I didn't appreciate it. What the fuck? I didn't even drop a like on the stream. Bro. I've stuck on module 3 with the support and resistance. Ah, yeah, okay, man. W, bro. How are you enjoying the course? Hopefully very well. Very well? Very much. Very lots.
Very good.
Much wow. Such yes. Life's good. How's your week been? It's been popping, man. It's been good. Very, very good. I'm just farming these days on Top Step. I just need like 1 or 2 more profitable days on Top Step to get the nice little payout. You don't realize what you have until you lose it. Exactly, chat. Guys, if you lot enjoyed the streams, if you missed the YouTube streams, we've been doing them every single day in the TRLS Academy for literally $74. We've been catching nice W position. Oh my days. Thank you very much. Oh, that is... You're the best. Thank you.
Low-key, I might have to rotate to the kitchen.
Nah, that is special delivery from the missus. Nah, she cooked. Actually, literally. Yeah, guys, join the academy so you can get the streams every... You got the best girl, bro? Chat. You just saw that, right? She just looked like... Unprompted. We just said we were hungry earlier. She just was like, oh, care package. Bro, it's amazing. Best decision I ever made. Hey. There you go, man. See? Someone inside the TRLS Academy telling you it's the best decision they ever made. So don't take my word for it. Take Mr. Oh, my days. Elio's word.
I'm rotating. I would struggle to beat this. I'll be back in a moment.
Bro can't eat on... Bro's got stage fright eating on stream.
I see the table.
Only Friday YouTube streams now. Monday and Friday I think we're going to do. Or maybe Monday and Thursday. But I only did Friday this week because you got CPI. I thought it'd be fun to do CPI on stream. Chat, hourly closing here in 20 seconds as well. Where is my thing? All right. SG, do you agree that the market is harder now than the bullish run? Yes, definitely. Definitely. How am I going to eat this, man? Yeah, but the YouTube streams are probably going to be for the next week or two, like Monday and Thursday. And then, low-key, they might go to once a week. Because, again, it's just crazy value and so fucking, like, such good value for money, the Academy. Like, you're actually retarded if you don't join. I'm actually not joking. Nom nom nom. Chat as well, I got the Strawberry Dreams Monster. So you know it's going to be a good day. It's always a good day on streams when you got the Strawberry Dreams. Bars, that rhymes. What do you think will happen with gold in the next 2 years? A sudden crazy crash or a parabolic price above 4,000? I don't know, bro. If I knew that, I wouldn't be on stream. I'd be in full margin positions to exactly the dollar value of where it was going to go. My boy's breathing super hard. My bad. I was probably a little bit close to the mic. Wow. Bro, chat. I just walked into the kitchen, yeah, to get a towel or a tissue. This guy Tom still hasn't taken his first bite of that food. He's still looking for a YouTube video so that he can take the first bite. You know how insane that is? Now chew more into the mic. I'll do what I want, actually. Loki. By the way, congratulations for 10K. Hey. I appreciate it, brother. I started watching TJR's videos about trading as a complete beginner. Found it hard and confusing. Sam has explained everything so detailed from A to Z and answers all questions. W's A. W review, man. I appreciate it. Listen, if you are in the TRS Academy and you are enjoying it, make sure you go to the WAP and drop a review. It really does help out. Yeah, Tom's dopamine receptors. Bro literally cannot take a bite of food unless there's a YouTube video on. It's insane. It's like he's physically unable to do it. Nom nom nom. Needs his dopamine hit? Exactly. What's good, L6? How you doing? Check the members chat. I got you. You and your band. If you send that, you're banned. I did 5 stars, but I didn't know I can also type a review. It's all good, bro. Don't worry. I appreciate the 5 stars. Means a lot. Yeah, we have all 5-star reviews. ASMR for us. Hi, guys. So today we have the scrambled egg and chicken wrap. What's good, Will? How's it going, my bro? Chat, $1 million right now, please. I don't think you guys understand. The hunt for the $1 million hasn't stopped just because I've been off YouTube. In fact, it's been even more. Keep going, I'm almost there. Is ridiculous again. Chat, you guys need some of you guys need a reality check. You guys need to wake up. Just playing. Send me 100k and I'll 10x it guaranteed. Oh yeah, that's a no-brainer. Loki, this rap has absolutely fallen to smithereens. I didn't rap it very well. What is bro slurping down there? Just hella wood. Just hella wood off cam. How's Q4 locking going? Fire, bro. We got a new video coming out. A new Q4 locking coming out this weekend, by the way. My next pretty please is fucking crazy. I'm clipping that without a question. Good. Tom sat behind the cam getting a real service right now. Bro's just getting that off-stream brizz. Insane. I'll be back in a sec. $1 million, please. The off-screen wood beckons him. Crazy. There he goes, off to clean wood. I joined the stream after a few days and everyone is fruity all of a sudden. It's not even me, it's you guys, man. You guys are just ridiculously fruity. Just like, I don't even understand it, man. Comes out of nowhere. You got food, you better have some for the rest of the class. That was a classic back in the day. A classic. I didn't know that. I didn't know the American teachers were pulling that one out as well. My teachers used to go crazy on that one. Oh, have you got some to share for the rest of the class? No, shut up. I know exactly how you can get $1 million easy. Go on then. Do tell. Share the method. And if it's something to do with releasing an OnlyFans, you're getting banned. If there's something to do with feet, OnlyFans, some suspect shit, you're getting banned. Only toes, send links. Link in bio. Never mind. Did I figure it out, eh? I think I might have figured it out. Never mind, it's crazy. This is how SG really made his fortune, how he paid for law school. Just bare feet pics. Like literally so many feet pics, it was crazy. Yo, chat, I won't lie though. One time when I was in uni, I wanted to figure out a way to make money, and this was before OnlyFans existed, right? So what I did is, I just found some random female's like picture on Google, made an Instagram, and then just like started messaging bare old men, and they just sent me like hella money on PayPal. And that's how I paid for some shit at uni before I started trading. No cap. Allegedly. Allegedly. Loki genius. Bro, it's the meta. Is this gold? Yes, this is gold. Gold futures. I can't pronounce your name, but welcome to the stream. What's your strategy for today's CPI? I'm gonna do this, right? And then I'm gonna like move my mouse over the buy and sell button, and whichever one it is, I'm gonna click it like the second before CPI and then just hope for the best. It's always worked for me in the past. Especially with AI now, print money. Yo, me and Tom were scheming about an AI hustle yesterday. I can't tell you guys in case someone does it, because I feel like it's elite. Are you going to long on orange juice futures? Wait till it gets to December and you lot hear about the cocoa futures meta. You guys you'll never understand. I'm literally going long on Santa Claus. Mad. Pause. Chat, 75 people in here right now. Drop a like if you haven't already. Show some love to the streams. It really does help out. These streams have definitely got a little bit more degenerate over the past month or so. But I can't lie, they've definitely got a lot more fun. They were already hella fun, but now... Yeah, I don't know. Hey, what's good, Blandy? How's it going, man? I'm very, very well. How are you? Ah, yes. Guys, we've seen this one before. We've seen it before and we'll see it again. Still no sight of Mr. Mochi? No, bro, don't spawn him in. Don't spawn him in. Because of the government shutdown, there's no reliable date for the CPI. Apparently, it's going to come out today, bro. Because this is CPI from 9 days ago that's delayed and meant to be coming out today. So, apparently this is so. We have to presume it is, right? You can't trade as if it's not going to come out. Because then, if you do that, you're going to end up being in a position... And then, yeah, you're going to get cooked. Slash spawn Mr. Mochi? No. Slash TP here, Mr. Mochi. Substitution.
Yep. Let me just quickly tap in. Boys, I'm not going to lie, I had to lock in off stream there and get through that meal. That was too complicated of a meal to try and... eat without a knife and fork. It's too big. What's up, boys? What's up, Manil? What's that I'm looking at here? Little buy. Little buy. Yeah, my dopamine is cooked. Well, did he tell you that I was pulling the classic iPod kid trick? On God, your food tastes better when you've got a you've got something to watch while you're eating. It's fucking way better. Tom, you look like an American. What does an American look like? Just a white guy. Okay, I need a shower. Yeah, Fugo's... Mate, trust me. This when you get to my level, right? When you're like max prestige iPod kid, what you do is before you even make your food, is you preload a video, so you don't have to endure the pain of trying to find something. Because I will not take that first bite until I'm watching something. I'm telling you, I know eats, I know ball when it comes to optimal snacking time. Preload a video. Go make the food, and you can just get started straight away. Nah, do you know what it is though? Like, unless you put auto scroll on, like TikTok and Insta is not the meta. It's always got to be YouTube. Fucking hell. If I could talk, what have I been watching? I'm not gonna lie, boys. My YouTube algorithm at the minute has been pretty shit.
You also murdered my algorithm.
I don't know what's up with the minute with YouTube, but it just seems like every single YouTuber has like a hive mind at the minute. Only thing people post right now is like food videos. Like,
right, since Tom's moved out here, right? We watch YouTube on my TV sometimes when we're eating or whatever, bro. Since we've moved out, the algorithm is now solely Minecraft speedruns. This one Call of Duty guy who sits in a bush and camps. All right, shout out Gilly ICU. Scooch up. And what else is it? And then it's just like...
It's just the occasional food video.
Your NPC clips of, oh my god, did you see Ron's stream the other day?
The face guys.
You love that.
The face guys are good.
TikTok has auto scroll, bro. You know when I knew that Tom's brain rot was another level, right? When he was flying out here, he was like, "Oh shit, I gotta make sure I download my scrolls on TikTok." Apparently, there's a feature on TikTok where you can offline like 400 videos or something.
You get 2 hours, 120 minutes worth of scrolls. Do you know what the worst is though?
Offline.
Because when you download the 2 hours, and it just gives you 2 hours of really skippable scrolls, so you end up blasting through it in like 30 minutes.
Do you not think that's the most brain rot thing I've ever heard in my life? Yeah. Guys, look, we tapped into the level here and we're pushing down, by the way. Very, very interesting.
15 minutes till news comes out. That's the only problem.
Problem?
Yeah. Problem. I still can say one stream this morning.
Downloaded scrolls absolutely cooked. Sickening, but he's making money, so he gets a pass.
Yeah.
Nah, I don't think you do get a pass for that.
It makes it easier.
That's a sign of a profitable trader right there. Yeah, low key. Yo, give me 1 sec. I have to make a call.
Yeah, right. Who here knew about the aeroplane meta? 2 hours worth of scrolls. I'm telling you, it is a little bit heartbreaking though when like it gives you one video that's like 5 minutes long and it's boring. Have you heard the big man? Oh, I haven't, Jay. I think I'm too many rooms away. Thankfully. Yeah, you gotta tap in with the scrolls renter. You gotta tap in. Until like, it's not even just for meals, alright? Let's say I get a protein bar or something. That shit is not getting a single bite out of it unless I'm hitting a little scroll. Yeah, Reels are definitely the place. Like, the algorithm's so much more funny on Reels than it is on TikTok. TikTok's kind of dead these days. The speed core. Right, guys, confess. Who's got a buy stop, stealth stop on right now? I know what you guys are like.
How long is it till news?
13 minutes.
Oh.
I know some of you guys are fiending for a full port right now, so type in me if you've got a buy stop, sell stop. Let's get some honesty going, because I know a few of you have definitely got it preloaded.
Not now, that's devious.
Nobody's being honest. Oh, here we are, victory settings. W victory settings. Come on, guys. I know there's more than two. I know there's more than two of you. Joshua's already in a long. What do we think news is going to do? I honestly think we could go back to all-time highs. If it's like hella bullish, the news that comes out for gold, I reckon we're coming back up here. This is the place we want to be. Back to all-time highs.
I may or may not is crazy. Guys, if you do want to get some accounts to full port and guarantee pass for CPI, Apex currently has 80% off. You just do a simple buy stop, sell stop, and yeah, you'll pass an account. Not financial advice.
Do you want me to?
Yeah, I don't kiss and tell. You can just end that sentence that I don't kiss, to be honest. It's all good. Bro, we were talking about this the other day, right? The average trader, well, not the other day, today. I actually don't think we're like, we're just like boys that can trade. But the average trader, just, I swear to God, sits in their room for like 15 hours a day just on Discord. Low key. That's a violation. Yeah, it was. All right, cool. SG, what percentage are you up or down this week? Oh, that's a crazy question. Let me actually go check my top steps. I think I'm up like. Thing is, right, I've been trading these top step accounts separately because I wanted to test it out this week. So I'm up like a couple of percent on one, 1% on the other, break even on one. It's kind of difficult to. Let me just check there. Yeah, so like, see, some will be up like 0.5%. Yeah, 0.5%. Some of them are up only like $100. Like I said, it's been a slow week, and the rest are break even. I think like, yeah, $50 or something. So I'm actually up like not very much this week. I think I've had like 2 trades realistically. Have you not linked them? No, I do link them normally, but like I've been just trialing something out in trading separately, right? Because what I want to do is trade a lot more aggressively on these top steps and trade them separately. I think it could be the meta. Are you in a trade? No, not in the minute. I can't with the gym chat. Yo, Loki, that's what I was going to say. I forgot about it. Chat. Eugene's just sent the most diabolical meal I've ever seen in my life into the gym chat. Like, look at that. What is that? Super noodles with... I don't even know what that is.
That's the most carb-heavy meal.
No, because is this eggs or is that porridge or is it... If that's eggs, I'm worried about how he's cooking the eggs. But like... I don't know. I actually don't know what he's... Like, what goes through that guy's mind when he's like... Oh, hey, let me craft up a delicious meal here. And it's just... slop. Oh my God. Yeah, I know. I don't even know what that is. Pay us eggs? Yeah. I can fix him. I don't know if you can, man. Is the payout rule on Apex like Top Step? It's a bit different, bro. You have to get to 2600, which is the buffer, and then you can request a payout. Maybe it's expired eggs? Yeah, I don't know. We have food standards here. Yeah, look, well, I mean, yeah, most people do. But Eugene seems to just like have the food standards of a dog. He'll just eat whatever seems like relatively okay. Guys, by the way, 100 people in here right now. Let's get to 50 likes on the stream. If we get to 50 likes, I'll give away an Alpha Futures. All right, little free account. Yeah, drop a like, chat. Let's observe CPI if it comes out. Yeah, guys, 6 minutes till CPI. I do think it will come out. I'm not going to lie. I do think it will come out. Look at the way we've been ranging before CPI. This is kind of crazy. It's actually kind of crazy. We have been pushing down all day as well. So do we see CPI reverse that entire move on the daily? Because the previous daily closed bullish. Chat, I'm very interested to see how the weekly closes as well. Because like Tom's been saying all week, bro, we haven't had 10 bullish closes on gold ever, right? No. 10 bullish weekly closes ever has never been a thing. And if this one closed bullish, it would be the 10th. So, very, very interesting stuff here. I'm not going to lie. Very, very interesting. I guess it all comes down to like CPI. Tom peeped the source too. What source? Ah, that. Yeah. All right, guys. Tom is a mysterious silhouette right now. He's black. Bro's just inherited the card. You've got the pass.
You've not got this character yet, mate. You've not unlocked me.
Oh yeah, yeah, true. Actually, I need to level up to unlock you. Say it. No balls.
Nice.
Nincompoop. Classic. If anyone knows that clip, you're an OG. Guys, 5 minutes just closed here. You got 5 minutes till news. Comics Open did nothing. Yeah, this is interesting. Low Kizzy. We all know you guys say it. That is not true. Tom says it.
No, Tom does not say it.
I've never said it. Tung Tung Sahor? Yeah, swiftly moving on. I heard Tom say it. Yeah, he definitely does. Tell me when you enter your buy position so I can enter my sell.
That's not very nice.
That's not very nice, actually. Yeah, that's not very nice. Run it. Run it. Smile tells a lie. No. I feel like gold has to correct some more. Any reversal like somewhere in the 3,800. Gold could do anything right now. Literally anything. By the way, feel free to counter trade me. I kind of like that shit, you know. When someone's counter trading me or fading the move, it makes me hold till full TP a lot more. Because we always hit full TP. Is CPI even going to do anything government shutdown? If it comes out, I think it will, yes. But if it doesn't come out, then obviously no, right? One of them ones, chat. Chat, what do you guys think about $8 million? Personally, I think it'd be nice. What do you think?
I'll have to think about that one.
Yeah, alright. Beam battle? What is that? Why specifically 8? I don't know, 8 would be quite nice. I'm going to sell just to go against Tom, the TikTok Reels downloader. Yeah, low-key. Gold's going to 10k today. Chat, news coming out in 2 minutes potentially. This is the thing, right? This is adding another level of excitement to the news because not only is it like, oh, where's news going to go, but is it even going to come out?
Yeah, that is true, actually.
Ooh.
We could all have the buy stop, sell stops loaded up. And
We?
goes, actually, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do nothing.
Guys, what do you think news is going to do? Type 1 in the chat for up, press 2 in the chat for down. Let me know, man. Imagine we leave with blue balls, though. I never leave with blue balls. It's a weird thing to say. 1, 1, 1, 1. 3, spike both ways.
Oh, the wick swap.
2. Lots of 1s. What about $1 million then in that case? Oh, we're pushing down here, chat. Yippee! You do have range down to the bottom of 40.57, right? I do think if it comes out and it's like a big positive or negative, it's going to be crazy, no?
Definitely.
Could just be the...
You got to think as well, like there's like a time lag on this news event, so when whatever the results are, people are going to be like, oh shit, we need to, like the markets are trying to catch up, I guess. So it's going to chase 9 days worth of like lagged data.
Yeah. True, actually. Pushing back up here. I'm going to drop to the 1 minute for this news. So we can see what it does. You have 37 seconds till it comes out, chat. Bro's just shouting gibberish from back there. You're actually getting heckled by Rentaro from the back.
Yeah, he's been kind of beefing me this morning. I think it's because I skipped his song on the Discord on the rhythm.
No way, you skipped his song. That is diabolical though.
Playing some like punk rock and roll shit, so I had to kind of.
Unk rock and roll.
Yeah. So I just kind of had to give it the skip of doom, the sod.
All right, chat. News in like 1 second here. Let's see what happens.
Holy shit.
Oh my days. Well, there you go. Chat, there's the rip of doom.
Oh my fucking god.
What did you do?
Nothing, I just watched it.
We set up. Scroll out. Yeah, my bad, I did. That is a mega move. So I guess CPI did indeed come out. 250 pips on a 1 minute candle is crazy. Absolutely insanity. It's still going as well. It's actually still going. That is ridiculous. Take the sell? Yeah, I'm going to sell this. That's a great idea. Oh, and there you go, chat. TP hit. I mean, I'm not in a position, but let's just pretend, eh? TP hit. Woo! Woo! Where's that guy that said he's going to take a sell?
What did it come out as then?
Can't believe I just did that on stream.
It came out worse, so what does that mean? Does that mean it's bullish or bearish?
No one clip that. You're not allowed.
Good for currency. So it's bad for currency, good for gold.
Check the Discord. Uh-oh. Somebody had a buy, stop, sell, stop, eh? Oh. Which Discord? Wait, what? Am I tripping? Members chat. Oh, and Dylan's just made 2.7k on that.
That's insane.
W, bro. I got that recorded? No, you didn't. You didn't. None of you guys clipped that. You didn't. I promise you. I didn't do anything. No, I didn't do anything. I literally didn't. I promise you. Gonna drop it in the Discord? You didn't? No. NQ apparently is ripping according to Thomas. Oh my days. Holy skibs. By the way, chat, buys from here the other day would have been so nice. That was that 30-minute flip we saw on the Discord stream. We actually plotted that out and it just never came back. Is this an all-time high? Yeah, it is, right? Nice. There you go. So what? Wait. Oh my days. Look at the gold 1 minute. Wait.
Just what? Someone in that Discord just lost 12k.
In what Discord?
One of the other ones.
Wait, do they try and top tick?
Yeah, they just lost 12k.
Bro, this is what I'm saying. Why are you in a Discord full of top tickers? Tom's in a Discord and someone tried to sell the top of it. They were like, oh, I'm going to try and catch the top of NQ. Yeah. Where did they enter? What was the entry they called?
Oh, no, not him. They were, it's just some guy. I've never seen his name before. It's just a picture of his top step account with liquidation trigger at minus 12k.
Well, the actual fuck sells minus 12k. Yeah, I don't know. People are just chat. You guys would be amazed at the level of retardation that occurs in the trading space. Like you guys think that our community is TRLS and normal traders, right? But actually, when you think about it, not even when you think about it, the reality is that is nothing of the sort.
No.
Like we are not normal traders. We are 10 times more disciplined than any normal traders. Did it just because I had a free eval to do it on? I'm never doing that again, probably. Hey, Dylan, it played out, bro. I don't think buy stop, sell stops on an eval is a bad idea, especially for news like this. Wait, let me check how it actually came out, though. Yeah, it came out 5 candle. Yeah, I know, bro. I know. This is mad. Absolutely mental. How do you trade gold after the news has come out? Obviously, you wait for a closure. Nobody said TRLS is normal. It's nuts in here. Yeah, we're actually OP. Like, actually OP. Terry, you have to wait for a pullback now. You have to wait for some form of closures, confirmations. Because obviously right now, even if you got a closure above here, right? You're actually looking at, like, what are the stops? 400-point stops, which is obviously just ridiculous, right? Always good to see some discipline. Yeah, W, bro. Chat, what a move. That was an absolutely monster move from CPI. I told you guys it was going to be a big one. A big one. First news of the month? Yeah, first news since the government shutdown. Am I wrong? I'm pretty sure it is, right? By the way, those buys that I planned out would have worked. I'm putting the clip in the testimonials channel for anyone who wants to see it. No. Gotta get that payout so I can get so I can scale. Dale, you got this, bro. Made 2,600 buy stop sell stop. Yeah, W. Did Tom use the stops? You didn't, right? Oh yeah, he's only got PAs. Yeah, he's only got PAs. So if you had a it's going to make a previous 4-hour higher time frame wick. Yeah, potentially actually. That's a very good target. Honestly, wait, I still haven't checked how this is coming out. It came out good for gold, obviously. Realistically, this could just continue to rip up. Is it massively bad? No, it's not. It's only like 0.1% on every... Oh, no, this one's 0.4. Oh, that's CAD, never mind. Yeah, so it's only 0.1% lower than they expected. So it's not like major government breakdown level shit, right? But it did come out positive for gold. So this could just run forever and ever and ever. Widowerly. Guys, I widowerly top tick the market. Widowerly. All right, for real though, it's in the normal chat channel. Go wild, boys. No. Have you seen that? No. That's ridiculous. I don't think they can even see it on screen. Shit, yeah. Never mind. Chat, guys, we're rejecting here. Yo, if this hourly flips, I'm not being funny. I would love the sells, but I still can't trade with those stops. We'll try and find maybe some like lower time frame stops here, guys. I think there's still a lot of potential. I'm not gonna lie. By the way, guys, it's been a 100% win rate so far in the TRLS Academy. Well, one trade this week. But if you guys do want to join the Academy, it's the exact same as this, but every single day in the Discord. And you can also unmute. You can share screen. Yesterday, we had Mark sharing his screen to go through the trades that he'd taken and get some feedback, which is so fucking valuable. It's $74 for the next 3 members, right? And after that, we hit 50 members and the price goes up. So make sure you secure your space so you can stream with us every single day, right? And make some bread. But let's see, man. What I'm going to do here now, chat, is I'll probably wait for the 15 close. Because we are starting to reject here, guys, which is actually interesting. I would have expected us to push up, unless we're just making some structure here on the 1. What do you guys know about $10 million? Bro, I have a question about the news earlier. If I had a stop loss and taken a short, would I have lost more money than the SL? Yes. Yes, you would have, Nikos. So there's a thing called slippage, right? If you're newer to trading or if you don't understand it yet, essentially slippage means when there's a move with such high volume, slippage means when there is a move with such high volume that the orders essentially aren't getting filled quick enough, or there's not orders at specific prices, you can get something called slippage. So for example, if you were in sales from down here and you had your stop loss up here, as essentially a stop loss is just a stop order, right? It's the same as a sell stop. Essentially what happens is, if you actually would have gone ahead and got filled here, and there was too much volume, maybe like there's no orders here, here. Basically, the market will fill you at the next available order, and that could be somewhere up here, right? So you might get filled out like 2x from what you actually put your stop loss at, and that's called slippage. So that's why trading through news is never a good idea, because you can actually lose more than you even wanted to risk, right? So risking 1%, you could end up losing 2, 3, even 4% just by slippage. Throw it back. They need to stop telling me to throw it back. Bow. Yes, chat. Wait a minute. Anyone catch any positions here, chat, though? Did anyone grab any pre-news trades, any buy stop, sell stops, other than Dylan? Bro, Dylan made fucking 2.6k off that. That's literally crazy work. I need to stop that. It's kind of addictive, though. By the way, if you guys aren't already, make sure you guys join the free Discord. It's a banging community. It's been super fucking active recently. Yeah, just essentially a community where you guys can help each other out. Eugene cheats on the wordle every time. Loads of shit, man. Lots of value. Tom streams every single day in the London session, which is sick, for free. So yeah, man, like a lot of potential. This 5 minutes flipping. Holy chat, this could fill the range back down and flip. Guys, be careful here, man. There's no positions, no FOMO. I know you guys are seeing big moves. Absolutely no FOMO, all right? Good. Yo, take over. I'll be back in a sec.
I'm just looking at the outcomes of the news. So it was,
Tell chat.
guys, so it was bullish for gold and bearish for currencies, American currencies. Yeah? That's what I'm getting from that. I'm just reading through the shit on Forex Factory. That's correct, no? Bullish for gold? I mean, it looks pretty fucking bullish for gold. What's NQ doing? Weirdly, NQ is super bullish as well, even though the outcome for gold, the outcome of the news was bearish. Weirdly, we've just pumped up. So you could see a pretty aggressive dump from NQ here. Is that right, Sam? I think so. I think you might have quite an aggressive. I mean, if you have a look at NQ this morning, you've just pretty much ripped up the entire way, and then a bearish news event has come out, so you should see a pullback. I'd be very surprised if this just continues up. Are we at all-time highs as well? Holy shit! Yeah, you just broke all-time highs on NQ with that news. So yeah, that's kind of fucking mental, no? Look at that. Look at that 1 minute candle. That's insane. What's the gold 1 minute candle? Holy shit, gold's is even bigger. Look at this. Let me put my laptop away. It's a 300-point 1 minute candle. Mate, let's say your buy stop got activated. Oh, fucking hell, he's not even logged in. Oh, well, whatever. Who caught that then other than Dylan? You're making a nice little high or low here. Could continue up. I mean, it's only on the 1 minute, but that is insane. I've never seen a news event like be that quick before. I guess apart from FOMC. FOMC is the only one I can think of where it just teleports directly up or down. I do think this probably takes us to that all-time highs that we were talking about beforehand. You're starting to get the bullish structure on the one. I mean, obviously you've just had this, but it looks like you've just put in a higher low here. What about the 5? Yeah, same on the 5 sort of. Where's all-time highs then? Let's mark it out, see if we go up there. Oh, it's still quite a long way.
Nah, he just meowed.
Meow.
It was good, Rays. Cryptomaniac was good. Not gonna lie, I was in longs before and held through. W's.
And you just broke all-time highs on the
On
the US markers, the US thingies.
Yo, Sam, the guy I'm trying to sell your course to is wondering if you get a discount on the mentorship if you buy the WAP course. If you buy if you buy the TRLS Academy and then decide that you want to buy the mentorship, yes, you get the price of the TRLS Academy, whatever you paid, taken off, right? So yeah, like I would not make you pay twice for. Well, I mean, it's not the same thing, but I wouldn't like. Basically, I just want to reward the people that support the community, right? Support the TRLS Academy, all of this sort of stuff, you know. If you buy the mentorship, you get other way around. If you buy the WAP course and then you decide to level up to the one-on-one, you get a discount. What's Sam Sulek doing in the back? Oh, I don't know, bro. I just got way too big recently, so nah, I'm joking. Cryptomaniac, where'd you hold those buys to, G? Brilliant. Man, it was wordplay on how the course is free after paying for the 1v1. Ah. Mr. Wordplay. Where's your cat? She's sleeping right now, man. She's sleepy beepies. I just went outside and checked on her. She's laying on my sofa on my balcony, like literally sleepy peepees. She's so cute, man. You give me PTSD? Yeah, that's funny as hell. An Australian girl I used to game with said that all the time. How do you get into the mentorship? Shoot me a DM and then you can basically, I'll send you an application. And yeah, then you can get in that way if there's spaces. I need to check if there's actually spaces left or not. So shoot me a DM on Insta or something and I'll send you some stuff. Mr. Chris. I tried putting a trailed stop, but I did a limit order, so I just insta closed it. Got out 14.96, but not too shabby. 14.96 is decent. It's a big push up from wherever you were in. You got a minimum of like, even if it was just before news, you got like 200 points. Nice. Not gonna lie, SG, I've been liking the realness of the lifestyle vlogs. I had no idea you smoked. I don't smoke. But I appreciate that you like the thingy. I need to cover your grey goose around us a lot, babe. Grey goose? What do you mean, gang? Oh, yeah, classic. Is that your drink's meant to fizz, darling? Shit. It is, I think. It would have hit the trailed SL anyway. Pretty much same price. Yeah, easy. Easy dubs. Guys, you guys have been killing it recently. The amount of payouts and like passes and everything I've seen in like inside the Discord, it's been crazy. Like people just sending stuff in left, right, and center. It's sick. It's really, really good to see. So much shit here.
Wait, I'm confused. Did CPI... Wait.
SG don't smoke, 6 do SG.
Which one came out? Was it CPI or PPI? Because one of them's disappeared. It's gone now. I was thinking, when's this next news event?
No, PMI was meant to come out like at 2:45, and it still is.
It doesn't say for me on Forex Factory we're finished for news today.
No, it's on my Forex Factory.
What? The fuck?
Time for honesty, like a true gambler. I got in on this closure when it started reversing. I'm up $70. Sells or what? Mr. Rentero. That's very degenerate of you. Go break even and then let it run. Have the Academy membership. How much extra is the mentorship and what are the requirements to get in? I see there's a link in the Discord, but there's no available bookings. Yeah, shoot me a DM, bro, on Instagram. I'll let you know. I'll let you know, man. We can talk through it and see if it's like, because it depends on like, essentially a load of things, to be honest. Every person's different, right? Everyone needs different help. Everyone needs like, this is the thing, right? My mentorship is not like a cookie cutter package where it's like, oh, I give you this, 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 and this. We have this cool, this cool, this cool. Nah, it's like, you know, it's custom made to each person. I'm gonna shoot you something, but it's not a DM. Crazy. When is the rate decision likely getting cut? I'm not sure, bro. Gotta run to see some family. I'll catch you guys Monday. All right, Dylan, in a bit, man. In a bit. I won't be in. Should I let it run? Lots of opportunity left. I mean, yeah, bro. Like, we haven't even had NYC open yet, right? We have an hourly close in 8 minutes here. I can't trade within this range now, right? Because it's filled the range. It's just doing some weird consolidatory stuff. So, I mean, it all comes down to whether or not we either reject and close bearish, because if so, then the sales look extremely nice to come down here. Or if we can start to make some good, strong closures, maybe like a closure on the 1 hour. You could even look at like a closure above here, right? Take the buys up after that towards these highs up here, right? I don't think that's necessarily a bad thing. In fact, I think that looks nicer than what I had marked out on the charts, to be honest. 92, above 92 looks not bad. Only concern is, right, like we said, right, you don't want this to be liquidity for us to push down. So that's why you have to wait for the closure here. Why don't you like London Open? Because I'm not really ever awake at that time. Now, London Open could be good. Yeah, Dominic got it exactly right. No, London Open's good. I mean, guys, you got to remember, for the past 2 years on stream, or no, for at least like a year, I streamed London every day. It was probably like more like 2 years nearly. So like, I used to be a London trader, but since moving to Cyprus, and also, guys, I just adapt to PA, right? If the PA is always shit during London and good during New York, I'm just going to trade New York. But if New York was absolutely whack, I'd probably trade Asian and London, right? It's just... And to be fair, we have started pivoting towards... That's why we've been up late as well, because Asian's been absolutely printing. London streams were peak. Bro, I used to have to wake... Guys, I don't know if you guys know that, but I used to have to wake up at like 7 a.m. to stream London. My parents would be in the room next to me because I was still at my parents' house, like, trying to sleep and shit. I'd be waking them up. The commitment. Too busy doing his 2 a.m. balcony chats? Yeah, trust me.
Come on, Sean.
Come on, Sean. $10 million. Eugene, your food is...
Disgraceful.
Yeah, look, he's finished it as well. Clean plate.
Must have been a hungry horse.
I don't know how you eat what you eat, man. Like, it's honestly diabolical. I never got a position on a London stream with you. Yeah, low-key, it's been... I mean, London got really boring, right? But I wasn't going in daily. No, I hear that. I mean, we did take quite a few positions during London, but when I switched to New York, the positions like almost doubled, probably even more.
Got an hourly close here in 5 minutes.
What do you get in the one-on-one? You get an advanced course. You get a essentially one-on-one with me, not a one-on-one. You get infinite one-on-ones with me, right? So we'll jump on, go through calls together, stuff that you don't understand, you know, trade reviews. You also get access to my WhatsApp number. So like, for example, yesterday, one of the students was messaging me like, yo, I want a FOMO right now. I want to take a trade. And I was like, I literally was able to instantly respond, tell him not to. And we missed out on, we stopped him from actually taking a loss that was unnecessary. You also get access to like the private one-on-one Discord group, which is a separate server for all the people in there. Weekly calls. And yeah, there's loads of extra stuff, to be honest. If you're interested, shoot me a DM on Instagram or Discord. What's good, Tom? Welcome back, my bro. Reminds me of when I lived at home with my mom and I was gaming at 2 a.m. and I yelled a little loud and she appeared in the doorway. Yeah, it's classic. Eugene lives in a perpetual I'm a celebrity eating trial. Yeah, bro's literally doing the Bush Tucker trial. Whenever Eugene starts cooking, Ant and Deck just appear in the corner of his room. Nice to see you live. What's good, Kay? We've been live every single day this week in the TRLS Academy, Monday on YouTube, and now we're back again. Killing it, man. Yeah, man. Don't mind some bush eating myself. I think the council's decided that there's a no on that one. We didn't like that one.
Yeah, I wasn't pleased.
No, Tom didn't like that one. So unfortunately, it's gonna be a thumbs down. Bush eating is crazy. Update on Bugger? Yeah, actually, me and Tom have been talking about this. We're still trying to figure it out.
What, if there's any update?
No, like, yeah, what the update is on Bugger.
Is it, I swear?
Yeah, actually, the man who knows probably the answer right now just joined. Mr. West, is there any update on Bugger?
Where's Mr. Mochi? I haven't spoken to Mr. Mochi in over 2 weeks.
Eugene, me and Tom have been waiting for an update from Mr. West on any updates, but he hasn't told us. I don't know.
I kind of miss Mr. Mochi.
Don't summon Mr. Mochi, man. Chat, it's time for the engagement bait of dreams. And there we go. Threw up in my mum's handbag because of this. Not the threw up in mum's handbag. Okay, chat, 15 closed bullish above the range, right? Realistically, you tried to flip, you haven't activated. Yeah, let's see, chat. 30-minute and hourly gonna close here in the next 2 minutes. Is it cooked? It might be cooked. Low key, it might be cooked. I mean, we'll see. Haven't watched you for a year, lad. Did you end up moving to Greece? Hey, what's good, man? Yeah, I live in Cyprus now. I live in Cyprus. Welcome back, though. A year is a mad length of time to leave and then come back. Mr. Mochi's ops? What? You've got beef with Mr. Mochi? How's Eugene got beef with Mr. Mochi?
Don't listen to him, guys. That's just a psyop.
Yeah, I think that's just a cover story. Oh my days. This is kind of difficult now, chat, because the problem is, right, you're not making bullish structure. Well, you are making bullish structure on the lower time frame. Higher time frame, still bearish structure. So it gets very, very difficult. Very difficult here, man. Like realistically, I would have loved a bearish close for the sells down. Problem would have been stops though. Bullish closure is good. Problem is that again the hourly. I mean the hourly does have a top wick. 30 minutes got no bottom wick, so I think we do come back at some point and grab a bottom wick for the 30. If this hourly does close above here though, you should fill up towards. Minimum you fill towards like 41.21, right? Every single time we close above there in the past, we've done it now. Pump gonna happen? Maybe. Every day waiting for NY open and PMI now? Oh, everything waiting. Yeah. Potentially.
Doesn't even come out.
PMI's at 225. 425 for us. 445 for us. 245, not 225.
Oh, 45 minutes.
Yeah, 45 minutes from now. We could wait for it, to be fair.
Well, given that CPI was
The
bearish, surely that also means PMI should come out bearish.
No, they're different things.
Yeah, but do they not?
It's not CPI, PPI, it's PMI.
PMI, sorry.
Yeah, no. You said PMI, but
What does
PMI is to do with manufacturing. Wait, let's check.
Well, I would have just thought if CPI is down, then...
Level of a diffusion index based on surveyed purchasing managers in the servicing industry. So it's to do with like how much the people in the service industry or companies in the service industry are buying, I think. And CPI is actually like consumer price, so how much the consumers pay. So actually they should be, yeah, I don't know actually.
That's not really correlated, is it?
$1 million? Hourly closing above here. Chat, if we get a... Yep, good. There's no point me even saying the sentence anymore. I was going to say if we get a bottom wick, these buys look good. Legitimately no point me even saying the sentence anymore.
I don't know if this can be traded, low-key.
Low kizzy. May as well just not even ask for a bottom wick anymore. I might just like start asking for it to just rip up. Chat, should we start the reverse psychology on gold? Just ask it, first of all, not to close above the level, and then also not to give bottom wicks. Now, that never happens this week. Yo, we've had 4 positions this week that we could have traded that had no wick, but we stayed disciplined, right? It's what we have to do. By the way, look at the 5-minute. You're technically making like a 5-minute sky dweller. Not 5-minute. What time frame am I looking at? 15-minute sky dweller here. You broke the previous high, and you now flipped. This could realistically minimum fill this wick, and if not, come down and tap this previous no bottom wick on the 30. Price likes to hunt that a lot. SG, tell Tom.
Tom what?
I think something's coming. I know everything. Uh-oh. He knows.
He knows.
You love missing the move. Rage bait. Rage bait. I don't think it works if you spam rage bait twice after saying it. Jay, the only move I'm missing is you moving out to Cyprus, mate. Oh, I'm actually so smooth. I'm actually so smooth.
Bugger. Thoughts on bugger?
What's good, Zulu? How's it going, brother? Fucking Riz? Yeah, that actually was W Rizzings. Please watch this. It's been a year since I came to your community for old time's sake. Proxper, it has not been a year since you were in my community. I didn't know that was the name because I can only see usernames. There's no way it's been a year. Maybe like a couple of months, max. How do you like Cyprus? It's the best country ever, to be honest. I love living here. So good. Other than the driving and the fact you can't get anything in not in supermarkets, anything like technical. Niche items, yeah. I'm so surprised I got my phone as quick as I did.
Yeah. I don't think you realise how much you depend on shit like Amazon.
Yeah, if there was Amazon here, it would be the best country on the planet. I realised that's so
Stupid.
capitalist, yeah. Why didn't you take this position? It didn't make a bottom wick. It came up top wick first, which is not good. It still probably would have been valid, but like, no, it wasn't valid after the top wick. It was valid if it made a bottom wick first, but it didn't. Yo, you see that guy that died in some Miami, I think he's in the info space. Right, like he's a big, I don't know if he's a guru or whatever he did, bro. Like Ben Bader or something. Bro, he got trapped in a sauna.
Mad. That's a fucking
horrible way to die.
That's a long one. That's a long death, I would imagine.
But like, do you not think like you just break out?
How would you break out?
Just smash the glass door?
What if it's not a glass door though? What if it's like a big wooden door or something? You know, like a lodge sauna.
It's a horrible way to die. Heat stroke and dehydration, exactly.
Yeah, well, I mean, it wouldn't be first on my list, put it that way.
Favorite snack? Why are you spamming favorite snack? He's eager to know my favorite snack. What do you mean Amazon doesn't deliver? I'm pretty sure it does. There's no Amazon here really, I don't think. Maybe there is. But nah, it has to come from like Germany and shit. There's no like Amazon Prime. Otherwise, imagine I've just been tripping and there actually is.
Well, have you ever checked?
Yeah.
That would be absolutely brilliant if you've never checked.
Have you ever seen an Amazon van here?
No, never seen a delivery driver either, besides food.
Yeah, no, there is no. Nah, it all comes from Germany, I think. His favorite snack is gold pips. Exactly. Money is my favorite snack. SG, have you ever faked a trick shot? Never faked a trick shot. Literally never.
Not once.
Yeah, this is gonna fill the range, chat. What did I say? Noodles with rotten eggs on the side? Yeah, that's got to be up there. One of my favorite. I mean, the other day, chat, we went to like the Four Seasons. We went to like all these fancy restaurants. But I tell you what, I'm really craving right now. Is like this one specific dish that I saw Eugene make. It's like super noodles with whatever that is on the side. That would be so good. Yeah, and then he says, I feel sick after eating that. Yeah, obviously. You've just eaten like, well, super noodles is just chemicals essentially with like ridiculously weird eggs. SG's tapped in. Loki, I actually am tapped in. Coleslaw? It could be potato salad. It could be eggs. It could be porridge. Have you eaten Novikov in Limassol? I didn't actually. No, bro. It's new, isn't it? We drove past it the other day. Are you in Limassol or where are you based? Extra MSG on the side. W. SG, how about your above the current wick entry? What are your criteria for that? I don't really take that anymore as much, to be honest. Oh, there we go. And that's the range filled. Lovely. Noodles with a heap of Parmesan cheese. There's no way that's Parmesan cheese. Bro missed the move. This is absolutely nuts. We missed the move. Now, there was no entry here, man. I mean, there was a nice position if it made a bottom wick, but it didn't, right? So I can't get the entry. Yes, bro, but currently studying last year in Prague. Nice, man. Prague's meant to be nice as well. Limassol's goated. Limassol's actually goated, though. And we filled the range to the tick. What did I say, chat? Watch this reverse now.
Consider this is the chart, man. Get that drawn up.
Oh, chat, actually, Tom's right.
It's a good indicator.
No, because if you look at it, actually, what you've done here, chat. Why didn't we see this? We actually missed the move. Oh, we actually missed the move, man. We didn't see this one, chat. You've actually got the, if you look at this section to the chart over here, and then you actually mirror it to the left here as well. And then what happens is, obviously, you make the extended move. But this is quite clearly, chat. We've seen this one before. This is quite clearly the cock and balls pattern. I mean, look. Realistically, you filled up to the head right now. I don't know if you're going to fill to the tip or not. But this was too obvious. Why didn't we take it? We should have taken that. But what you can do now, chat, is you can wait for the closure above the tip, right? And then you can take the nut play up, right? You can take the nut play up towards the sock at the top.
Not the nut play.
I took it, W. Yeah, the nut play is crazy. Where was this in your course? I need to add. Why is it circumcised? It's American. Nut play to the eggs. Yeah, maybe that's what was on the side of Eugene's noodles. What the fuck am I looking at? Don't ask me, bro. What are you guys on about? Egg nut is crazy. I'll send you an example of the nut play from Jay. I feel like I should probably decline that offer. Oh, once again, gold decides not to give us the bottom wick. Nice. Nice. Where's the face cam? Yo, did that just disappear? My bad.
But I'm happy about that. Some blokes just left a winky face comment on one of our Instagram posts.
A bloke.
A bloke.
Oh, and Tom's a gay icon. We love it. Yes, queen.
Not sure how to feel about that.
Favorite snack? Your favorite snack's wood, isn't it? Oh, what word were you about to say? Tom just said the word off cam. Where are you going? Where do you think you're going? He actually did just say the word off cam. Bro, turn off the camera to take a nut play of his own. I didn't even know it was turned off. Will you stay for the next news? Maybe, we'll see. Is Tom racist? No. No. Nah, I don't know. Actually not. I don't want to get him in trouble. I don't want to get him cancelled before his career even starts. Blink if Tom's racist. I don't know. I have something in my eye. Dream car? Yes, chat, he's not. Dream car is probably right now a GT3 RS. Actually, no. That's cap. Ever since I bought a big car, right? Ever since I bought the Range Rover, I don't know if I could have just a small car again. I actually don't think I could go for a small car again. If I'm going to get like a sports car, I'm going to have both, right? So I think next car will be a G-Wagon. Then maybe the McLears or the GT3. Although low-key chat, I was messaging a guy the other day that has a Range Rover SVR in Cyprus. And it's only like 80k. Which is like, it's like a 22 plate, I think. A Range Rover SVR. Oh yeah, here it is. G-Wagon in size OP? Yeah. But so many people have it. Bro, the SVR looks nutty. Low-key, I might have to get this. Because my car's sick at the minute. And it's like... This has got a 5-litre engine. Nearly double-sized engine. In this blue as well, it goes cold. No chat? Probably transformed a 2016 into it. Nah, bro. RS3 Rami Whip Koze. Stage 3 remap, bro. Looks like the one Matt Armstrong fixed. Yeah, it actually does. Imagine it is. Yeah, nah, this is just ridiculous. Sunroof. Oh, nah, low-key, I need this. Oh, nah, chat. That might be the upgrade, bro. Low-key, I wonder if I can finance one of these, because I don't want to pay full price for it again. Can you get me an RS3, Kazi, bro? Get a Range Rover SE, don't be a bitch. SV? That's an SVR. That's better than an SV, you know? This is the top model. This is literally an SVR. What do you mean, gang? I'm not a Range fan, but that looks sick. But Range Rovers are unbeatable cars. Like, ever since I got one, I didn't really clock the hype. But ever since I bought like my Range Rover Sport, I see the hype now. They're so good. SV double price, broski? Really? What's the difference? Oh, it's not the Sport one. Oh, wait, am I tripping? What is the difference? Is it the... Oh, it's the Range Rover version, not the Range Rover Sport, right? Yo, that's cold. That is actually cold. Chat, 2 likes off 50 likes. Make sure you drop a like on the stream. Yeah, that is sick. I have to give you that. That is sick. Oh my days, yeah. Nah, fair play. Yeah, it's the luxurious one, not the sport one, right? Like, what's the stats on it? I mean, it's probably still got 6 stats. Performance. New V8 twin turbo. Yeah. Oh, it's a plug-in hybrid. Meh. Meh. Nah, I'd rather... Oh, nah, low-key, that is fucking sick. Just get the driver to whip me around as well. That might be the meta. The actually might be the meta. Nah, I don't want the plug-in hybrid. I want the V8. 615 horsepower, 0 to 60 in 4.5 seconds. 4.4 litre V8. Nah, I want the SVR. SVR is way cooler in my opinion, bro. 5 litre supercharged engine. Literally goes like a Hellcat or some shit. I'll take a tricycle. Tricycle would go hard. Absolutely missed the move. It's ripping. You guys are actually rage baiting me right now. 15-minute close bullish, by the way, chat. Above. But there's some levels here on the 15, which is very difficult to trade. Realistically, if you do close above here on like the 30 now, though, you have room all the way up to be honest, you have room all the way up here. Towards like 41.64. My problem now is you've ripped so fast. Stops become ginormous. Like if you were to take this on the 15 right now, your stops would be 350 pips. Tricord's a ghetto. Yeah, I would never get a car like that ever. I think they're so, I don't know. I don't like them. At least the Range Rover has class, right? Get Jezzies on the handlebar. Not Jezzies on the handlebar of the tricycle, bro. That's insane. Daily might flip. Yeah, it might. Low-key, I think it will. Not the Jezzies on the handlebar. Let me message my guy, actually. I want to see if he can get me an SVR. Can you source me a Range Rover SVR? Okay. Low-key, it might be time for an upgrade, chat. Upgrades, people, upgrades. You think daily flip's possible? Yeah, it's definitely. I'll sell you my 2013 Kia Ceed if you like, bro. I'll do a good deal. Fire. Actual serious question. How did you learn about paying taxes when you became profitable? I went to law school for 5 years. And did tax law for another year and a bit afterwards. Nah, but realistically, you can just learn by YouTubing it, Googling it. It's pretty easy to learn tax law. Let's hear what a Range Rover SVR sounds like real quick. Nah, that's ridiculous. Low key. Guys, it might have to be done. That was a shit video. Didn't really show you much at all. Seems to be a pain to calculate taxes. I have a full-time job and side hustle and soon to be trading payouts. Don't pay taxes on them then. No, I'm joking. Set up a limited company to avoid them if you want. It's the best way to do it. Well, not to avoid them. Don't avoid taxes, chat. But to minimize your tax exposure, let's say. In the PR way. Taxes, what's that? Yeah, I'm not sure. Yo, if this gave us a bottom wick, it's actually moved more than the news candle, by the way. This one candle moved 400 pips. More than the news candle. Absolutely insane. All I heard was don't pay him. You can just click the screen back like 2 seconds. Yo, chat, I'll be back in a sec. All right. We're back. Oh, this is tough, man. It's tapping into some key levels here. This candle's just pushed up 400 ticks, by the way, which is just a ridiculous amount. It's so extended now. But that doesn't really mean anything, right? Because news actually came out bullish. You got NYSE open in 10 minutes. Then you got news 15 minutes after that. I'm debating whether we stay on for news or not, because I don't think it's going to really do much. I mean, it might, but yeah, we'll see. Did anyone catch these buys here after the breakout? Because low-key, I think they were super valid. It just came up first and broke the high. The super chat works? Yeah, but don't do it. I see your chat anyway, bro. Check Discord. What, and the member wins or what? Ah, you took another dub. Oh, on a PA. Yo. Holy, these are on PAs. Bro's cooking. I thought this was an eval when I saw it. 2 bandinis up on the PA. You love to see it. You absolutely love to see it. Bro, you're 400 bucks off the buffer zone, right? Slow, steady. Wait till next week. Don't take another trade again, in my opinion. And if you do, make sure it's super small risk. That's such a W, bro. Congrats, bro. Congrats. 2K up on the PA. Will you still be able to get a payout if you're up 14.94 in the day? On what firm? Sadly, Apex doesn't have the lockout like Top Step. Yeah, I know, but you can do it yourself, low key. You can just close the charts and walk away. On Apex, you might have fucked yourself in terms of consistency, I'm not gonna lie. I think you might have to get to 5K now to get a payout. Because they have a 30% consistency rule. But I wouldn't worry about it, low-key, I don't think it's a problem. Just have to trade up a little bit higher. Yeah, you'll need to make like, I don't think it's 6K, I think it's 5K. Because they have a 30% consistency, no? So it has to be under 30%, which means that like, it's actually 4,500. Top step lockout, low-key helpful as fuck in my opinion. Yeah, it's so good. It's such a good feature. I don't know why they added it, because for them, that's going to mean people blow less accounts, I think. Yeah. Alright, chat. Alright. It's all Project X, which is owned by Top Step, by the way. Top Step owned Project X, which is why this most recent thing was such a big debacle, because they basically shafted any other firm that used Project X, and then they only brought the functionality back to Top Step for the first like hours and hours, and refused to void any trades and all that shit. I think it's part of trying to build consistent traders to help them not overtrade. Yeah, but they don't want that, right? Prop firms don't want that. They want you to blow accounts. That's the whole point. Props want you to blow accounts. They don't want you to be consistent and not overtrade. Guys, 5 minutes here till NYSE open. 30 minute looks pretty good, to be honest. But I would say you've only got room on the 30 up until 41.03, somewhere like that, right? We're very overextended now. Their excuse is they don't want you to overtrade, but it's more like we don't want you to make too much money. No, I don't think so, because most people lock out because of to stop themselves tilting, right? It's actually a good thing. Want to get another eval but down on funds at the minute? I'll be in credit card debt? Yeah, don't do that, Dale. Wait till you get a payout, bro. Take it slow. Trust me, I went into credit card debt with eval fees like early on in my trading career. It's not a good thing to do. Take it from someone who's done it. Don't do it. What we could look for now, chat, is like a 30 bullish close up here. And then look for a bottom wick. Maybe get an entry on like 122. Stops below the low up down. Is that 750 ticks? Wait, what? There's no way. That's 308. Why does it say 750? All right, I don't know. Anyway, and then we'll look for TP up towards these highs up here. All right. Lots of potential, but if we can come down with a bottom wick. Otherwise, chat, if this doesn't form on NYC, it's Friday. I'm not going to force it. We got news. Oh, chat, shit. We got news in 15 minutes. Yeah. So I passed also a top step of Val account. I hit 3K in 2 days. Played risky, but did I do it? I need to still trade 3 more days or something? No, just leave it. It depends actually. They have a 50% consistency on top step evaluations, right? So what was your biggest trade? If it was 1500, you might be okay. But if it was something different, then they might cook you. Most props have real money strung to their live traders funded accounts. Nah, hardly any of them do. Hardly any of them do. They're mostly like simulated funds only, I think. Maybe some of them do, for a small percentage. So, what's good? What's good, Levi? How's it going, man? Chat, 2 minutes here. Not the cock and balls play. Best day 1.8. Yeah, they might make you make a little bit more now. They might make you make like an extra 600. But you can do that. All right, chat. 2 minutes here to the hourly close. 2 minutes. Oh, not hourly close, sorry. 30-minute close. Either way, same thing. Not really. Similar, though. What's going on in here, man? Oh, my days. The members printing. So much progress being made in both the free Discord and the TRS Academy. So if you need 5K in profits, but payout cap is 2,000, you request for 2,000? Yeah. You can request for 2,000, I believe. Because you'll be way above the buffer zone as well. Let's see, chat. Let's see. Five minute looks like it's pulling back a little bit. Long stream though? Yeah, long stream, low key. 30 minute looks decent. I like it. We love it, man. Tap into 41.22 could be decent. A 15 close kind of ugly, no? Oh, and it closed respecting. Closed respecting this high here as well. Not worried about that small top wick. I'm more worried about the fact it closed respecting some levels here. Yeah, if this drives then. What sort of order size am I looking at here as well? Because, bro, six micros on a 150k account for stops. Are we in? No, I'm not in. It's just playing about right now. Like, if you look to the left as well, I think we've rejected from here a couple of times. And we actually go a lot further every time you do, right? You reject from here, you come all the way back down. You rejected from here in the past, came all the way back down. Every time you close above, though, you should fill. What do we do this way? Close above, fill the range. Yeah, interesting. You could fill the range here, actually. But it seems to me like the liquidity that we've been grabbing is coming from like a lot lower, like 112 even. Would it make sense for you to come all the way down to 112? Yeah, it kind of would actually. It kind of would. I think we wait for 112. That also dramatically reduces our risk, right? Is there anything you're looking to tweak in your strat right now? Not really, no. I'll have your range if you get a new car. You can buy it off me, bro. Oh, and we broke the high. Good. Thank you. Right, chat, I'm done. I don't want to trade this. I don't want to FOMO. I don't want to force anything. It's been a good week, 100% win rate week. Yeah, realistically, no point in me trying to force anything. I'll be back on Monday. I'm going to stream on the YouTube on Monday as well, so make sure you don't miss out on that. Guys, if you want to actually get access to my entire course to learn the strategy over the weekend and then come back to the streams next week, every single day I'll be streaming in the Discord. Join the TRLS Academy. It's literally $74 for the next 3 people. Next 3 people get it at the same price. Otherwise, it goes up when we get to 50 members, right? Which is going to be next 3 people, right? Yeah, TRLS Academy W. Yo, everyone who's in the TRLS Academy right now is fucking loving it. Like, that's not even me just saying it. Ask anyone who's in there. They're fucking loving it right now. So, yeah, make sure you go ahead and join. It's definitely the best decision you'll make, unironically. Ah, Mr. Janus. Mr. Janus. Watagwan. The streams there are cooking so much value and fun as well. Yeah, we are eating in the Discord. Exactly. The TRLS Academy in the Discord is going fucking crazy, right? Genuinely insane. Guys, don't miss your opportunity to join that shit. Who the fuck is SG Pappy? I don't know. It's definitely you, isn't it, Anil? It's definitely you. SG Pappy, Daddy SG. Ridiculous. Right. Start the game. Let the games begin. That's what I'm trying to say. Brilliant. Well, I can't really see it. It's not loading. This is pretty sick. Let me put this. Oh, I don't even know where this is. Yeah, bro, I was actually going to put Mongolia, low-key. I was actually going to put Mongolia, but Choked. Oh. Okay. Is that like a dust storm or some shit? I'm gonna go like somewhere here. Yeah, go on. Come on. We cannot have SG Pappy and then Daddy SG in first and second place. That just can't run. I'm not being funny, I'm not having it. Where is this? Oh, okay. Uganda. I'll take it. Oh my god, and he takes the lead. This is, oh, alright. Alright. Tell me something. I'm washed? You actually are washed, low-key. Yep. I mean, that one was pretty much a given, no? It literally... Yeah. You guys are washed. You guys are literally all washed, by the way. Like, unironically. If you didn't get that, that is outrageous. Was I the only one who got that? Surely not. Yeah. Oh, they're actually nerfing me. They know I was going to beat you, so they've decided to nerf me. Good. Oh, I have no clue where this is. Literally no clue, but I'm just going to put... Oh, it could be Caribbean as well. Oh my days. Where is that? Northern Mariana Islands. Okay. Alright, get smoked. Nah, no way. There's no way we got a full SG sweep in the first, second, third. Me, SG Pappy, and Daddy SG. So technically I got first, second, and third place. Get smoked. Guys, listen, I'll see you guys on Monday on the YouTube. I'm going to be dropping a new video later this afternoon. It's definitely jam-packed with value, right? It's essentially about how I take A+ setups, what classifies as an A+ setup, all of these sort of things, which is very, very important for you to know. Make sure you go watch that on the YouTube this afternoon. And other than that, see you guys on Monday. Join the free Discord. There's Apex 80% off sale right now, which I think runs the rest of the weekend. And yeah, man, chat. Did you do the giveaway? We didn't hit it in the time, man. I said we had to hit it before the hourly close, and we didn't, right? Maybe on Monday's stream. But chat, listen. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out. Much love. See you on Monday. Have a good weekend. Bye-bye.